This free buy-sell indicator on Tradingview gives perfect signals, and in this video right here I'm going to show you exactly how to use it for yourself. If you enjoy and learn something too, then please help grow the channel by leaving a like, and let's get straight into the video. I have tested many indicators on this channel, and I am a big fan of the buy-sell indicators for their simplicity. Well, this definitely is one of the coolest buy-sell strategies on the channel. I decided to utilize Tradingview's free plan that allows two indicators, and I think I found the perfect second indicator to match with this strategy. Let's get into it. Naturally, we're on Tradingview. Let's first open the indicators tab and add the time relative volume oscillator right here. This indicator will automatically plot buying and selling volume per candle to help us easily see who is in control of the market. In the settings, change the display mode to Delta. This allows us to follow along per candle and see the market change with ease. This indicator is very easy to read. The green and red bars simply represent buying and selling volume per candle, and we can use the red and green arrows for signal entry. Simple as possible. Next, let's add the buy-sell indicator. Go to the indicators search tab again. This time search range filter buy and sell. Add this one right here. This is an awesome buy-sell indicator that paints signals when price breaks the calculated ranges. So now that we've got our indicators, let's look at how we can take trades with this free strategy. And just before we jump into this awesome strategy, let me quickly tell you about Flux Charts. They wanted to sponsor today's video to show you how powerful their premium indicators actually are. I have previously tested them on this channel and had insane results, and for only the price of one takeaway a month, you could gain access to life-changing indicators and an amazing community of other like-minded traders, all the way from beginner to expert, that are making money the same way you want to. So check them out risk-free with the first link down in the description and in the comments section, and seeing exactly how much value they cram into this tiny membership fee. Flux Charts has been very generous to offer you a 20% off if you use code MO at checkout. So please go check them out for yourself. And thank you again to Flux Charts for sponsoring today's video. So for a buy or long position, we must first wait until price is inside the correct session to match the pair. I am trading this on GBP JPY on the 5-minute chart, so I will be focusing on the London trading session. For a buy, step 1 is to wait for the range filter indicator to paint a buy label. The buy label must be there on candle close, not during the open candle. A paint of the buy label means that price has broke the set market range, and the indicator has calculated a high probability of buying momentum incoming. Once we have our buy label, we move to step 2. Step 2 is to enter the trade and place the stop loss at the far side of the range filter line, so underneath of the buy trade. This is the safest stop loss point for entry. Step 3 for this strategy involves the time relative volume oscillator indicator. Now, at the point of the buy label painting, there is a very high chance that the relative volume smooth line will be green. For a buy, we must see the line fully green, but that isn't the step 3. For step 3, we want to let the trade start running in progress. The trade is going well when the green volume bars appear higher than the smoothed green line. If the volume bars close below the smooth green line, then momentum is slowing and it may be time to call the trade. Our rule for step 3 is to watch until 3 full green volume bars have closed below the smooth green line. Once 3 bars are below, we can exit the trade manually in profit. Sometimes the smooth line will change to red. This is also a valid signal for exiting our trade. Both are valid, but the 3 volume bar stop loss method is definitely preferred. Selling positions are the same, just reversed. We wait for the range filter to paint a sell to the downside. From here, we can enter the trade, first making sure it's during the correct session. We then place the stop loss at the range filter's higher band, the grey line. Next, we follow along the red smooth volume line until we see 3 red volume bars show above the smoothed red line. The volume bars should be lower than the red line, and if we see that 3 are not lower on candle close, then we can exit the trade in profit. We can also see right here an example of a trade that didn't play out. It's important to see losing trades for your overall trading psychology in the markets. Both of these indicators are free and I'm sure you will love to check them out for yourself. I tested this free strategy myself over 100 trades and averaged a 65% win rate across a 2-month period with an impressive gain on a $100 account. But buy and sell indicators absolutely are some of my favourite for trading, and they're especially helpful for beginners new to the sport. But thank you very much for watching. If you have any indicators that you would like to share with me, then please leave the details in the comments below and I will check them out. Both of these indicators are completely free and waiting for you on Tradingview right now, so check them out and start your day trading journey in 2024. Thank you very much. If you want to see my deep test on a free Tradingview strategy, then click one of these videos right here, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.